I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. I'm stamping today. I have a bunch of new stamps. I thought it would be kind of fun just to showcase those stamps on various papers that I've gel printed between brayer offs and pattern papers. I'm using the Snowman Duo, the Whimsical Pattern Poinsettia Style 2, the Whimsical Patterns Poinsettia Style 1, and a stamp called Lamb Kebab. They are all available through pmartiststudio, and there will be a coupon code at the end of this video for 10% off your entire order. This is the Whimsical Pattern Style 1, which I absolutely fell in love with, and I'm stamping it on this brayer off, which I love the color of this brayer off, but I wasn't impressed with the brayer off. I just thought that I'd try it. And as you can see, it's going to look spectacular. I love this stamp enough that I thought that I would try it again. And this time I decided that I wanted to connect my gnome from my gnome stamps, which is a set of 3, to this Whimsical Pattern Poinsettia. And with very happy, surprising results. I loved it. I want these two to go together. Just using a brayer off. And I'm going to angle it this direction. So, cute. I'm happy with those. I want to stamp this other poinsettia around it. I want it to go like that. Oh, that's beautiful. That could be used on its own. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, now I have an idea for down here, because I wish. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful stamp. Look at that. I love that. And I stamped one already on this. Let's stamp another one. And this is an altered piece of scrapbooking paper. You will see the video for this sometime in the future. That looks good. Very nice. Those look great. This was a poinsettia piece that I did a video on in December. And I've been waiting for this stamp to be able to put the stamp in here right next to these. So let's do it. Let's do this one. And I want the snowman on here. Don't know if I can get them both. I think I can. Let's get them both on here. He's cute, but he kind of disappeared. Put some black embossing on him. Pump him up a little bit. Yeah, that helped. Okay, let's put him right here. I love this black Ranger embossing powder. I use it a lot. Oh my gosh, those are cute. Let's put it right in here. Wow. I like this one too. Oh, that's beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at how great those look. Okay. Yeah, those look good. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute they are. So I think these will be cute with the sheep. Haven't used the sheep yet. Look at that.